Siddaramaiah and DKS, it looks like, are getting set to hold a joint briefing right now. And we're going to be tracking those updates as they come in. Sagai Raj is inside right now, the Chief Minister's residence, to get us that first picture. There is going to be a joint briefing in all likelihood. Will it be merely a photo op or will it be a press conference? We'll have to wait and watch. But right now, all the media has been allowed inside to meet with the two leaders, to meet with Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar. Expect a picture, expect a photo op, and I'm predicting it right now that they will have their hands up in the air, send across a message holding their hands together that we are united, and the message will be the High Command will decide. Whatever the High Command decides, we will abide by it. That no doubt 100% will be the messaging involved. Sagai is making his way inside. Those images are live on your screens as well of Sagai Raj heading right now into the Chief Minister's residence. Naga, if your audio is on, take us through what's really happening right now. We understand Sagai Raj is inside. There's going to be a briefing, yes?
Most likely there'll be a that holding hands together and lifting the hand.
Will they take questions?
Most likely they will take questions, but it will be a very, very brief media interaction. It will be maybe 4 to 5 minutes is what I'm told. They want to put out a statement like the High Command said, tell the public that you are together, you stand united. Okay. MLA should not be divided, and that's the reason why this is very important, that irrespective of what happens and the decision with us, you two need to hatch your differences and bury your differences and come back together.
I think Sagai is getting connected. Sagai, are you with us? Can you get us an update right now on what's happening there? There's a joint briefing, we understand, that's expected. Yeah.
Absolutely, it will be a joint briefing of Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah at the conference hall inside the official residence of Chief Minister. You can see here the media is setting up the mic and everything is in place. In time now, DK Shivakumar and CM Siddaramaiah will come here and address the media and take questions from them. And they will also discuss, they will also brief what was the discussion during their breakfast meeting here in his official residence.
Okay, so we're expecting that there will be a statement. Take us through what you're seeing around you, Sagai. Everyone's going to be looking at the frame that you're showing us. So I want to know what's happening there. I see a setup, like a conference room setup with 2 chairs where the Chief Minister and Deputy in all likelihood will be there.
You can see the entire mess here. The media is trying to put the mic over there. That is a place where both Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister will be addressing the media, and it's all set. They are waiting for the setup here. Once the media sets up their camera, mic and everything, they might step out of their house and come here and brief the media what exactly they discussed over a breakfast meeting. And they will also take questions from the media on whatever the political crisis in the state. And remember that it will be a crucial meeting. The meeting was called after KC Venugopal intervened and asked them to make peace and have a breakfast and send across a message of unity through media to the people, so that after that the High Command can take a decision who will be the Chief Minister and all the other factors including cabinet expansion and reshuffle will be discussed. First, a message of unity to be sent across through media.
I think the big question will be whether they'll be open to questions from the likes of Sagai, who then will immediately ask, Mr. DK Shivakumar, do you want to be the Chief Minister? And that's where the divide will be very, very clear. That's where it will be clear that while they claim all is well, while they claim that, look, we are together, we are united, the basic difference is both of them are eyeing one position. Both of them want to be Chief Minister. That's what makes this so complicated. And as much as they do the High Command's bidding, both are watching what New Delhi is going to do in the coming few hours, in the coming 1-2 days. So the next few minutes crucial. Naga, we're going to see that photo op. You see a conference room like setup with both of the leaders expected to be there to speak to the media. It does look like they're going to take questions as well.
They will take questions, most likely both DK Shivakumar and Chief Minister. Chief Minister will be heading this press conference or the media interaction. He will be giving out a statement initially is what I'm told, and then DK Shivakumar will make brief remarks, and then the floor will be open for question and answers. So they will take brief questions because CM has other commitments through the day is what I'm told, but not something government. His personal commitments is what I'm told. He might have to go meet his friend on our doctor for his routine checkup is what I'm told. So DK Shivkumar in all likelihood will fly to Delhi post the meeting by afternoon. But this important set of message that both these leaders are trying to send out is that we have listened to the High Command. High Command yesterday said that this is not Congress culture to take jibes at each other. Before you come to Delhi, we both need you to be on same page. Unity is what we need. There can't be a transition, there can't be a decision till both the camps are united. Irrespective of what you want and what your desires are, leave it to us, leave the decision to the High Command is what KC Venugopal had given a stern warning and a message to both Siddaramaiah and Shivkumar. Likewise, now Siddaramaiah and Shivkumar have met, they've concluded the breakfast meeting, they've had a brief talk, and I think if I can jump the gun and announce it that the likely statement will be that Akshita, both will say that we will go to Delhi very soon. We are still waiting for official communication and we are on board to whatever the High Command decides. And the question, tough question will be for both the leaders to answer on the word power and the world power jibe they took at each other. It can't be ignored, right? These two leaders knew what they were doing. If not themselves, at least the media team knew what they were posting. And there was a direct attack and counter attack on CM and DCMs from these two leaders in themselves.